Did you know that your phone has default settings that allow apps and websites to access your phone number? This can lead to spam calls, targeted ads, or even scammers accessing your info. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off these settings and keep your number safe. It works on any Android phone. Just subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Firstly, go to your phone's main settings, scroll down, then tap on Google. Next, tap All Services, then scroll down to the section called Autofill and Passwords. Then tap Phone Number Sharing. This feature allows Google to share your number with a third-party app when they request it. Just turn off the switch next to the phone number sharing to stop that. Now open Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Addresses and More. Here you'll see Save and Fill Addresses. Turn this off. Why? Because if you save your phone number on the site, other websites might auto-access it through Chrome. Now let's make sure apps don't have unnecessary access to your contacts. Open your main settings again and use the search bar. Type Permission Manager, then tap Permission Manager again, then go to Contacts. You'll see a list of apps that can access your contacts. This includes your number and your friend's number. Go through the list and ask yourself, does this app really need contact access? For example, your gallery app doesn't need it, so tap it and choose Don't Allow. You can always allow access later if needed. Now, go back to Permission Manager and tap on Call Logs. This shows which apps can see your call history and phone numbers. Again, remove permission from any app that doesn't absolutely need it. And that's it. By changing these settings, you're making your phone more private and secure. No more unwanted calls, less risk of scams, and total control over your number. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.